Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that switch case, right? I hope it's very much clear to you. Now in this video, I want to discuss about the ternary operator. Ternary operator is very important. One of the things, if you want to compress your else if condition in one line, then that will be very much helpful. And we will use this ternary operator a lot of the time in our project. So make that sure you understand it. It's very easy. One of the things, better right now I close it and I want to make it as a ternary. Ternary operator. Great. But I want to show you with some of the example, then that will be easy to you. I take one of the variable as a number. Okay, I name it as a number 1, and for the number 1 I make it as a value as a 10. And also I want to take another variable as a number, the number 2 I make it as a number 2. Okay, and then for the number 2 our value I make it as a 2. Great. So here I want to find out our maximum number. Okay, so in particular that position our maximum number is which one? Maximum number is a 10, right? I want to get that with our maximum number. So before, when I use that as if else condition, that will be actually short form of the if else condition. You can display it with the ternary operator. Like in our if condition, what exactly I have done? I take one of the variable, I just name it as a maximum value. Okay, maximum value. So maximum value, this type of one of the variable, I simply take it, and then I want to put another condition into the if condition. So in our if condition area, what exactly we have to do? First of all, I want to simply add our number 1. So when this number 1 will be as a greater than as a number 2, right? That is always a number 2. And then in our maximum value will be which one? Our maximum value will be our number 1. Okay, I want to use it as that will be as a number 1. Great. And else, I want to use that as a else that will be the same, else only it should be display our this value. That means that our this maximum value will be as a number 2, right? I simply put it. So when that number 1 will be as a greater than a number 2, then our maximum value will be as a number 1, else that will be our number 2. And this number 2 value I have taken in our this variable as a max value variable. So now if you want to display it, you can display it with the console log. I make it as a console and then console log, and into this console log area here I want to pass our this max value. Okay, I simply pass it. So now that should be displayed as a 10. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now successfully displayed as a 10 value, right friend? Now I want to do the same things. Okay, here that is we have to use that if condition, then the condition, and then else, and after that we have to display it. So here if you want to make it as a compress, then you can compress with the tiny operator. I show you like same condition I want to now run with the tiny operator. Here only you have to do I just simply better I want to make it easy here. Okay, here I want to take another variable as a take max. Okay, I take another variable as a take max, and into this take max our condition will be same. Okay, that means this condition as a number 1 when it should be as a greater than the number 2. Friend, just simply understand what exactly I have done. I take one of the variable as a max, and then I put another condition as a number 1, and when it should be greater than from to the number 2, then with the questions mark. Okay, then our what exactly it should be do? Then that will be displayed as a number 1. Okay, that will be displayed as a number 1, else. So that is the else, and then it will be displayed number 2. Okay, I hope it's very much clear to you. Simply thinks that is the first of all condition, and then that means when our number 1 will be greater than to the number 2, then that will be displayed as a number 1, else it should be displayed number 2. You can see that is the same things I have done in here. So I put on the condition when number 1 will be greater than the number 2, then our max value will be as a number 1, else that will be as a number 2. Here the same as a number 1 when it will be greater than the number 2, then that will be displayed as a number 1, else that will be displayed as a number 2. So that is the tiny operator. Okay, and with this we can actually display our this value. If you want to check it, I want to check it, you can, if you click as a save all, our result will be just like that same before. Click as a refresh, you can see our result is the same as a 10. I hope it's very clear friend. In our next video, I want to do and to solve one of the problem with using all that are if else condition. Okay, with this we'll solve one of the condition as a fish bus. How can do that work? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.